8 reasons Baltimore homeowners should sell instead of refinancing. Financial strain, chasing better mortgage terms, or dealing with significant home repairs. These are all top reasons you might consider refinancing or selling your home. Should you refinance or sell? The answer isn't always straightforward in a city like Baltimore, where housing markets vary dramatically by neighborhood, and equity gains can be unpredictable. In many cases, selling your home can be a more strategic, long-term solution than refinancing, especially when life circumstances shift. Refinancing sounds appealing on the surface. It can lower your monthly payments or convert your adjustable rate mortgage to a fixed one. But it's not without risks. And it's not free. Before jumping into a new mortgage, it's worth stepping back and evaluating whether selling could better serve your goals. Let's walk through the 8 key reasons why selling may be the better option for your situation. 1. Refinancing doesn't fix deeper financial stress. Struggling to make ends meet? Refinancing might delay the inevitable without solving the root problem. Yes, a refinance can reduce your payment slightly. However, it could also extend the life of your loan and increase the total interest you pay over time. If your income is unstable, your expenses are growing, or debt is snowballing, you may be headed toward a loan default down the road anyway. By selling, you can stop the financial bleeding. Instead of treading water with a slightly smaller mortgage bill, you can eliminate the payment, pay off debts, and potentially walk away with cash. This breathing room can help you reset and rebuild. 2. Your home's condition might not support a refinance. Lenders typically require your home to meet specific standards before approving a refinance. If your house needs a new roof, has plumbing issues, or shows signs of structural damage, the bank may deny your refinance or force you to make costly repairs to qualify. The approval process can be a giant hurdle for older row homes and historic properties in Baltimore that need updating. Selling the home as is for cash removes this obstacle entirely. You won't have to sink thousands into repairs or worry about whether your home passes inspection. This option is especially beneficial if you've been deferring maintenance or if the cost of bringing the house up to code outweighs the value you gain from refinancing. 3. You're not planning to stay long-term. Refinancing only makes financial sense if you plan to stay in your home long enough to recoup the upfront costs. Closing costs on a refinance can range from 2% to 5% of your loan amount. It often takes years to break even on that expense. If you're considering moving in the next few years, it likely isn't worth the money or hassle. Timing your exit could mean the difference between profit and prolonged uncertainty. In Baltimore, specific neighborhoods are experiencing growth while others remain stagnant. Selling now could let you capitalize on your home's current value without locking yourself into a new mortgage. 4. Refinancing requires strong credit and equity. You need solid credit and equity in your home to secure a reasonable refinance rate. Your options become limited and more expensive if your credit score has taken a hit or your home hasn't appreciated much. Baltimore's patchwork of home values means you could be in a zip code where recent sales haven't been strong enough to support your desired loan terms. Selling eliminates the need to navigate credit hurdles. A cash buyer in Baltimore doesn't care about your credit score, they care about the condition and value of the property. Selling for cash can be a much faster, more forgiving process, especially if you're in a pinch and need to move quickly. 5. The market may favor sellers right now. Timing is everything in real estate. Selling may be better than refinancing if Baltimore's current housing inventory is low and buyers actively compete. You could still attract serious offers even if your home isn't pristine, especially from investors or cash buyers looking for properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods. Refinancing ties you to the long-term prospects of your house. Selling allows you to move into a more affordable home, downsize, or rent temporarily while the market stabilizes. It puts you in control of your financial timeline instead of staying tethered to a property that may no longer serve your needs. 6. You're dealing with personal or life transitions. Refinancing is purely a financial maneuver, but selling can support major life transitions. Selling may offer a cleaner break and more emotional clarity if you're going through a divorce, settling an estate, helping aging parents relocate, or adjusting to a health-related change. In Baltimore, situations where family homes are often passed down through generations or shared by multiple relatives can complicate decision-making. Rather than fighting over who refinances or who takes over the mortgage, selling can provide a definitive, fair solution that frees everyone involved. 7. You want to avoid future maintenance costs. Even if your home is livable today, aging properties have growing maintenance demands. HVAC systems wear out, roofs eventually leak, and plumbing issues emerge with time. Refinancing may not be the answer if the costs of future upkeep concern you. It may trap you in a property that becomes increasingly expensive to maintain. Selling now lets you walk away before those expenses hit. You can budget the following living arrangement with more predictability and less surprise. And if you choose to rent temporarily, you might enjoy the peace of mind that comes from not worrying about repairs or property taxes for a while. 8. Selling can bring immediate relief. Refinancing involves reapplying for a mortgage, waiting for appraisals, and navigating lender conditions. Selling to a cash buyer can happen faster. Speed matters if you're in a financial pinch or trying to relocate quickly. A direct sale offers immediate relief, especially in Baltimore's diverse market, where time can make a huge difference in your financial outcome. You don't have to wait for approvals or hope for a favorable appraisal. You can close in days instead of months, avoid costly delays, and put your focus on what comes next, whether that's paying off debt, relocating, or simply breathing easier. Refinancing isn't always the right call. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to the refinance versus sell debate. But it's time to seriously consider selling your Baltimore home if you're facing financial stress, planning a move, or dealing with a property that's becoming more of a burden. Choosing to sell isn't giving up, it's taking control. By stepping away from a property that no longer fits your needs, you open the door to financial stability, emotional clarity, and long-term flexibility. Refinancing might be the right move in some instances. In many others, selling makes more sense.